Hey DIY dreamers, ready to transform your space with a jaw-dropping home decor piece in under 10 minutes? Buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to create a stunning, Instagram-worthy masterpiece that's budget-friendly, super easy, and guaranteed to spark joy in any room. This project is so simple, even your grandma could do it, and it's evergreen. Perfect for any season, any home, any vibe. Let's make your space pop and get those creative juices flowing. Oh, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit like, and share this with your crafty crew. Let's get millions of people inspired. Hook. Why settle for boring decor when you can create a showstopper in less time than it takes to brew your coffee? Here's what you'll need for this dazzling DIY. A 12-inch wooden or metal hoop, think hula hoop's chic cousin, a skein of colorful yarn, some greenery or dried flowers, a hot glue gun, and a handful of decorative beads or charms. You can grab these at any craft store or even repurpose stuff from around your house. Total cost? Under $10 if you shop smart. Pro tip: check your local dollar store for steals. Step 1. Set the scene, 1 minute. First, clear a small workspace. Your kitchen table works perfectly. Lay out your materials and plug in that glue gun to heat up. This is your moment to channel your inner artist, so put on some upbeat music to get in the zone. Imagine this. In just 9 minutes, you'll have a decor piece that looks like it came straight out of a boutique. Step 2. Wrap it up. 3 minutes. Grab your hoop and yarn, pick a bold color like mustard yellow, emerald green, or classic cream, something that screams you. Start wrapping the yarn tightly around the hoop, covering about a third of it. Don't worry about perfection. A little texture adds charm. Secure the yarn's end with a dab of hot glue. This step is like giving your hoop a cozy sweater. It's quick, fun, and instantly elevates the vibe. Step 3. Add some greenery magic. 3 minutes. Now let's bring nature indoors. Take your faux greenery or dried flowers. Eucalyptus or lavender are my faves, and arrange them in a crescent shape across the bottom of the hoop. Think of it like a floral moon hugging your creation. Use hot glue to secure the stems to the hoop, layering them for a lush, full look. Want to add a pop? Toss in a few colorful dried blooms. This is where your decor goes from cute to OMG. Where did you buy that? Step 4. Beat it, baby. 2 minutes. Time to add some bling. String a few beads or charms onto a piece of yarn and tie it to the hoop's bottom, letting it dangle like a boho chandelier. Wooden beads give a rustic vibe, while metallic ones scream modern glam. Mix and match for a personalized touch. This tiny detail makes your piece look like it took hours, but shh. Our secret is, it's under 10 minutes. Step 5. Hang and slay, 1 minute. Loop a piece of yarn or ribbon at the top of the hoop to create a hanger. Find the perfect spot, above your couch, in your bedroom, or even as a dining room centerpiece. Step back and admire your work. You just created a custom decor piece that's Pinterest-worthy and uniquely yours. Why this works forever. This DIY is timeless because it's versatile. Swap yarn colors for holidays, change flowers for seasons, or add charms for a personal touch. It's low-cost, beginner-friendly, and screams high-end style. Your guests will be obsessed, and you'll be the DIY hero of your friend group. Call to action. Loved this? Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick DIYs that make your home shine. Want to turn your creativity into cash? Click the link in the description to check out our amazing digital marketing products. Your ticket to growing wealth online. Let's keep the DIY party going. Drop a comment with your favorite decor hack, and I'll see you in the next video.